In this video, we are going to design your donut flyer. If your first time, subscribe to my channel and turn on notification to get another tutorial from Mix Designer. The first step, we create new document. Go to File, to New, or you Ctrl N. This is preset detail. The top one is the name of flyer. This area is size of flyer. I choose centimeters, width 21, height 21, resolution 300 pixels per inch, color RGB, and background I choose white, and create. Now we have new document for design. The size 21 cm by 21 cm. Next step, I want to add gradient layer. I click here and choose gradient. For style, I change to radial. I click here to change color. The code is E8DCE9 and another side. The code is FFEDFB. And click OK. OK. I want to add dripping around here. I go to File, place embedded, and select dripping. I want to change color of it a little bit. I go to Effect, Blending option, and click on Color Overlay. I choose it, and the code is FFB5DB, and click OK. I want to add rectangle around here, and the color is the same with dripping. I choose rectangle tool. The color the same with dripping. Stroke I choose 0. Go to File, place embedded, and choose paper. Change it to multiply and minus opacity. I put 30. Now I add main subject. I go to File, place embedded, and select donut. Now I want to add shadow to the main subject. I create new layer and drag it down. For put shadow to the main subject, I use brush tool, this one, and I go general brush and choose soft round. I need to change it a little bit. Opacity I put 100 and color is black. I minus opacity a little bit. I put 70. And I need to make the black around here. I create new layer and choose brush tool and soft brown again. And the color is black and opacity 100. I think it's okay. Next step, I want to add text. I choose text tool. And tap the letter. I change color. And I need to change font as well. I choose this font. I Ctrl J to my copy. And tap another text. And I need to change font as well. I choose the font. I want to add text around here one more. I choose text tool. I change color to white and I change font. I think it's okay. I want to add sprinkle around here and around here also. I have it and I go to File, Place Embedded. And select it. I Ctrl J to my copy. I want to add something around here and around here. I use ellipse tool. Double click to change color. Ctrl J to make copy. Copy one more. Next step, I need to make it blur and motion. I go to filter and choose blur and motion blur. I put 40 pixels and click OK. And this one I need to change color first. Okay, and I go to filter, blur and motion blur. Okay, and this one I change color first. I go to filter, blur and motion blur. I put 45 and click OK. Next step, I want to add contact around here and social media icon around here. I use rectangle tool, fill, I choose this color, and stroke I put 0. I Ctrl J to my copy and change color to white for below layer. I add text. I change font. And I change color to white. I need phone number on here. I change color and I change font. It is just my example, not the real one for phone number. Next, I add icon. And I add website. I change color to this one. And now our flyer is finished. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get new tutorial. Thank you for watching.